In today's video, I'll show you how to stop receiving friend requests on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, select your profile icon in the top left corner. Within here, make sure you're in the user settings section in the menu on the left, and then scroll down and choose friend settings. You can now use the toggle switch next to where it says receive friend requests to turn them off. That's how to stop receiving friend requests on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.